What is the 10-year divorce rule in the state of Michigan? Well, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. There are some jurisdictions where 10 years is somewhat of a milestone. It's a trigger point where all these benefits fall into place. And some people think if you get divorced, but it's 9.5 years, you haven't hit the 10-year mark, so therefore they're immune from all these things. Well, I will tell you that Michigan law does not have a specific 10-year rule regarding property division, for example, although longer marriages often tend to result in more generous splits. So, for example, if you have a very short-term marriage, it's a marriage of a year, the court may split the marital assets accumulated during that 1 year equally, but as far as other assets or other things, forget it. It's going to go to the parties that brought them into the marriage. That's generally the rule. But the longer term the marriage, the more likely that there's more to divide. Not only that, in a longer term marriage, you start having other considerations such as alimony, or what we call spousal support. That becomes more of a consideration in a longer year marriage. So is there a 10-year rule? There's not necessarily a 10-year rule, but the longer the marriage, the more the benefits are going to be. Now, there is a federally mandated Social Security rule that revolves around a 10-year milestone, but that is really different from a divorce settlement, and sometimes people ask the question, and those two are conflated. Those are really separate things. The bottom line is that the court does weigh marriage duration heavily in determining how to work things out, and the longer the marriage, the more likely that the parties are going to be dividing a more generous split of marital assets. On the flip side, a much shorter term marriage probably means a much smaller split. So while there isn't a defined rule of X amount of years and you get this, with respect to property settlement, there is the general notion that the longer you're in, the longer your investment, the more there's going to be a payout. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.